大家好，这里是晚风汉语，我是 Mia. Welcome back to Nightwind Chinese. I'm Mia. Right now I'm at a Thames in my city, which opened not too long ago. As you can see, the Chinese name of Thames is 天好咖啡. In today's lesson, I'm gonna teach you useful words and sentences about ordering coffee in China. Let's get started. So I already ordered and got my 咖啡. So first word, coffee, we say 咖啡. A coffee shop, we simply add the word shop, 店 together, 咖啡店. The measure word for coffee, 杯, a cup of something, we say 杯. So as a measure word, we simply say 杯, one character. And the noun, a cup, a glass, we say 杯子. So a cup of coffee, 一杯咖啡. 这是什么？这是一杯咖啡。这是一杯咖啡。I ordered a cup of mocha. So mocha in Chinese, 摩卡。这是一杯摩卡。Latte will be 拿铁。A cup of latte, 一杯拿铁。Americano, we will say 美式。你喜欢什么咖啡？你喜欢什么咖啡？你喜欢美式吗？你喜欢摩卡吗？你喜欢拿铁吗？ And to order, we can simply use the sentence structure, I want something. So simply, I, 我 want, 要 我要 I want. 我要一杯拿铁。我要一杯美式。我要一杯摩卡。Simple. It's good. Then let's learn some words to customize our drink. First, a size, right? Large or medium or small? Simple. Large, 大。For example, this is a large mocha. 大杯 large. Medium, we use the word 中 means medium, middle. Small, we say 小中杯小杯这是中杯吗？这是大杯，这是大杯的摩卡。I'm thirsty. Somehow. Okay, then iced or hot, the drink. If you want iced Americano, for example, What is Americano? 美式 美式 Then we add the adjective 冰 冰 in front of it. 冰 can be a noun, can be an adjective. So here means iced. Iced. 冰美式你喜欢喝冰美式吗 If you want your drink hot instead, then you will use the adjective hot. In Chinese, it will be 热 热 hot 热拿铁 hot latte 热拿铁热美式热美式 Then let's try to combine these two things, iced or hot, and size. Let's try to order. So I want, 我要 a cup, 一杯 Then I can first say size, 大杯 iced latte, 冰拿铁 Together, 我要一杯大杯冰拿铁 One more time. 我要一杯大杯冰拿铁 Excellent. Okay, let's take another try. For example, 2 cups, medium, hot, Americano. How to say? 我要2杯 2 cups. 我要2杯 medium, not 大 not 小 but 中杯 medium size 热美式我要2杯中杯热美式我要2杯中杯热美式 Great. Okay, I almost finished my mocha, and this will be the end of today's episode. I'll definitely revisit the topic and teach you more expressions to help you further customize your coffee. Thanks for watching Nightwing Chinese. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.